chain sell clutch back. Boss niggas love that my weave real long. Do my squats for that ass back. Love my attitude, so he call me little brat. He love me long time, cause it's cash, yeah, I match that. Never took a L, lesson learned, and I bounce back. Tripping off a nigga, man, for what? I just fall back. I don't have the time to be giving out my time. Haters tryna.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Samara, and I'm back with another video.
Pick a side. Nah.
Oh my god, I changed. Oh my god, they on the same.
And today I'll be doing a what's on my iPhone. But before we get into the video, if you're a new viewer, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because my channel is lit and I want you to be part of that. And if you're a returning viewer, then what's good, what's poppin', and thank you for coming back. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing I have is my lock screen, and I'm not very sure who's on it. If you know who it is, kudos to you, but I don't. I just thought it was cute. And on the side of my lock screen, I just have all this extra stuff that I really don't look at. So once you unlock my phone, you have my home screen. On my home screen, I have a picture of me, of course. The first things I have on my home screen, I have maps, wallets, and notes. And in notes, I just keep progress of like certain things like my hair and like new growth and like all this extra stuff, like passwords, that things I just basically will forget. I keep it in my notes. Next, I have reminders, stocks, iTunes Store, App Store, and health. I don't use basically all of those. The only things I do use is Apple Store and reminders every now and then. I don't really use it. I don't see what's the point. Lastly, on this part of my home, I have settings, home, and Safari, and the only things I use is settings and Safari out of those three. So on the next side, or next slide, whatever you want to call it, I have FaceTime, calculator, Apple Watch, extras. I don't use anything that's in the extras. I just kept it there because I don't really organize my phone in any certain type of way. But in the extras, they're extra because most people don't need it. We have compass, tips, memo, contacts, find my iPhone, and find friends. So after extras, I have files, photos, and camera. And then I have entertainment, which has Netflix, YouTube, and YouTube Studio, and Dubsmash. And if anyone's wondering what's YouTube Studio, it's just a way to track your YouTube channel through your phone. Things you would do on your computer, you could do it on your phone. So that's cool and it's efficient. Then I have my music section, which I just have two things to listen music through, which is Music and SoundCloud. Then I have Proximity. That's basically how I track buses and trains because I live in Massachusetts and there's a lot of ways to get around places, and I need that so that I don't go missing any bus or train. I have BOFA, which is how I check my card balance, my debit card balance. I have Snapchat, which you should definitely add me on. You should screenshot this and add me because I'm live on there 24/7. Start streaks with me, talk to me, like do whatever. I have photography, and I have PixArt and Fonto. Those apps I use for my Instagram or just for anything, or I use it for my thumbnail. Then I have my editing apps, which is iMovie and CuteCut Pro, the only two apps I use to edit my YouTube videos. I have Instagram, which you should definitely follow me on. I have two pages. I have my main page, and then the next page is my spam page, and I'm more on that frequently, and that's just chocolate spams with 2 A's and spam. Don't forget to follow those two pages, and if you miss any of my social medias that I'm gonna mention in this video, it will also be in the description box down below. Then I have my shopping apps. So this consists of Fashion Nova and Forever 21. Those are the only two fashion apps I have on my phone. I feel like downloading all of them, but I just use those two apps to shop every now and then and see what they got going on. Then I have Pinterest, which I am more active on now. So you should follow me on there too. I pin a bunch of cute stuff. I have Twitter, and I'm not that active on Twitter. I just lurk. I don't really post, or I may retweet every now and then. But you should follow me on Twitter too. On the bottom row, I have contacts, mail, and messages, and there's not really much for me to go in depth about with those. And basically, that's it. This was a very quick simple video. I don't really have time. I have school tomorrow and I had to get a video up for you guys because I didn't get one up last week. So thank you guys for watching this video. Like I said in the beginning of the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're a new viewer, and hit that likes button and comment down below anything you want to see in the future. That's a wrap.